What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a little bit of politics and politicians. I'll be talking about Cynthia Morgan. I will be talking about Davido and Burna Boy issue without Wizkid. So first, let's talk about these two politicians and what they have done and why they are doing it. You know, most of the time when people sing praises of politicians, those people are the ones that are benefiting directly or indirectly from these politicians. When individuals, activists, talk about politicians, it's either they are arrested, jailed, or punished. The local government chairman of Afikpo North, Honorable Ogbonnaya Oko Enyim, he flogged the pastor 36 strokes of cane because the pastor criticized his leadership styles on Facebook. The pastor said why he made that post is to encourage people from re-electing this man because Honorable Ogbonnaya Oko couldn't do a kilometer road for his local government area council. That was why this pastor made the post. They dehumanized him. Can you imagine flogging a pastor 36 times? Another politician, a lawmaker in Nnewi, erected a 3-bedroom bungalow for 3 widows, childless widows, so that their lives will change to better the lives of these individuals. While another politician is somewhere flogging people. We are in democracy. Sometimes I ask myself, the regime and the government of Nigeria, the kind of system we are practicing in Nigeria, is it different from that of the United States? If they can't take criticism, why go into public office? Because the people that elected you are the people that need to criticize you, to tell you the things you're doing right and the things you're doing wrong. Let's talk about Cynthia Morgan. Cynthia Morgan needs help. At this point in her life, she needs help. Cynthia Morgan is a reggae dance hall singer. You know, who was with Jude Okoye. Remember Jude Okoye of the Funk P-Square? Before they had issues, and from the issues they had, the problems they had, she lost everything. This lady lost her stage name. She lost her royalty. She lost her Instagram account. She even lost her Vivo YouTube account. If this is the first time you're coming across the channel, I welcome you. I ask you to please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also welcome. Like our videos, comment, and share. So let's get back to the video. So according to Cynthia Morgan, she had lots of debts on Jude Okoye, which she could have used against him while they were running the battle of the kind of contract she had with him that made her lose all she had, lose her royalty, her Instagram account, YouTube account. She lost everything and she became someone else. She had to change her name. She changed her name because of Jude Okoye. You know, here is what Peter Okoye, Mr. P, had to say about this. Mr. P said, "My dear Cynthia Morgan, the decision I made 3 years ago was never about the fame, money, or power. It was for my freedom. Sir, they rejected the contract I gave you just because they made you see me like the bad egg. I pray you understand that God has a purpose for everything. Never give up." Mr. P posted this on his Twitter account. So many people came and asked him to see if there is any way he can assist this lady to come back to who we knew her to be. We're asking you to see if you can assist her because Cynthia Morgan has the voice. Cynthia Morgan is supposed to be a big name in the music industry in Nigeria. People go through lots of challenge in life. There is a GoFund account to help her stand on her feet again. So if you have anything that you want to give to her, please go for it. Don't hesitate because this lady is a material. She has the voice, she's got the vibe, she can dance, she's energetic, she has the energy on stage. The lady is the bomb. I don't know what happened to her. She looks so different. Cynthia Morgan looks so different. In 2016, when I knew about her, man, the lady was on fire. But look at her now, she has changed. So if you got anything for her, go for it. Don't hesitate, don't look back, don't think twice. Do anything you can to assist this lady achieve her dream. So let's move to the next one, which is Burna Boy and Davido's issue. So let's look at how all these things started. The beef between Burna Boy and Davido started as a result of this young editor here called Ayo Africa. This guy edited the picture that is causing all this brouhaha on social media. And Davido must have cashed in on it. I'm not talking about Burna Boy. I know that Davido must have cashed in seriously on this, you know. So this guy came from Ijebu. He's the one that edited the picture that housed Davido and Wizkid. He made this picture and posted it on his Instagram account. I think it was Tunde Ednut that contacted Davido about it, and Davido dropped 100,000 for the guy. This guy is good at what he does. You can see for yourself. You can see from the works. I'm posting some of his works on screen now. You can see from his works that this guy is a genius in terms of editing. Photo manipulation and photoshopping, this guy is good. Davido saw the work, reposted it with this caption that started all things, that him and Wizkid are the two greatest. You know, he gave this boy 1.1 million. He first gave the boy 100,000 naira the first day he saw that picture. But when Burna Boy came into the picture, he dropped 1 million naira for the boy. You understand? So everything now amounts to 1.1 million for the picture. All these things happened out of excitement. You know, fans have always compared Davido with Wizkid. Maybe Burna Boy wants to forcefully insert himself into this comparison, because Davido's fans and Wizkid's fans, they always log ahead, fighting over who is superior to the other. So maybe Burna Boy wants to insert himself into the game. He wants people to start comparing him with Wizkid or Davido. But I believe that Burna Boy is there, but he has not gotten to that level where we will need to start comparing him with it. Just imagine Burna Boy comparing himself with Two-Face. No matter how high Davido and Wizkid have gotten, they have not compared themselves with Two-Face. There is no musician in Nigeria today that will come out and say he is bigger than Two-Face, no matter if they are richer than Two-Face financially, but they cannot say musically they are bigger than Two-Face. That's something Burna Boy needs to understand. All these things is just all about showbiz. It's all showbiz. But Burna Boy took it to the next level. He took it to a whole new level. Burna Boy likes talking. He talks a lot. He exhibits this kind of arrogance. The way he talks, the way he does things. No wonder many Nigerians are saying they are happy that he couldn't catch the Grammy Award that he was nominated for. Even Iyabo Ojo's daughter made a post about it. You can see the post on screen. She said it openly, that she said what she said. She's happy that Burna Boy couldn't get the award. So it's because of the arrogancy of Burna Boy that is making fans and Nigerians to go against him. And I can still remember what Burna Boy said when our treasury house got burnt by fire. That is arrogancy. That's what arrogancy can do to somebody. Burna Boy is arrogant. I don't know where arrogancy can take Burna Boy in his life, you know. So it's all about showbiz. Like I said, it's about showbiz, and showbiz is about respect, appreciation, and helping upcoming artists to actualize their dreams. And that's what Davido does. Davido is all about respect, humility, helping others to get to the top. Davido is not that kind of guy that gets to the top and push the ladder down. He helps others to achieve their own dreams also. Like this young guy now, Ayo Freka. 1.1 million naira is a huge sum of money. You can see the guy rolling on the ground, turning, crying, even the mother. So it's not easy for somebody to be wealthy and humble. I know there are lots of them out there, but Davido is an embodiment of respect, upliftment, helping others, and appreciation. This is not the first time he's doing it. He has done it to so many people. So what do you guys think about this? What is your own opinion? This Burna Boy and Davido brouhaha. What do you think will be the outcome? I want you to hit the subscribe button if you have not. Like our videos, share and comment. And tell others, tell your friends, man. Come to CK Media. This is where things are happening. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace and love.